We've been talking about folk tales. There's a lot of things that we can learn about folk tales. One of them is that the characters often use trickery or cleverness to solve the problem. Think about the story Canegito that you just listened to. Tia Monica is clever by telling Canegito to roll down the hill in a barrel past the animals. She builds a fire so the animals will think the mountain is on fire. And at the end, the reward is Canegito makes it home safely. And think about some of the other books that you have read, like The Sun and the Wind. The wise man tricks Minglo and his wife into doing a backward dance to move away from the mountain. Minglo and his wife live happily ever after. And how about Babushka, Baba Yaga? Baba Yaga tricks the village people into thinking she is a babushka. And at the end, Baba Yaga is accepted by the village people. These are all things that you can look for as you look and read folk tales. So today, after you listen to Canegito, please answer the questions on the side here. It says, what was Canegito's problem? And how did Canegito solve the problem?